Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda CB500F, lightweight twin-cylinder, naked sport bike with ABS brakes, really cool metallic gray and silver paint scheme. Only 4,100 miles on this cool CB500F. Come on by, make your fuel injected lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.